Hi everyone, welcome back to the Web3 channel. My name is Zach. Today we're looking at Tether freezing $160 million of USDT stablecoin on the Ethereum blockchain. The last time Tether froze an account was in late December. We're going to go into the story right now. Let's jump into it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel for everything happening in Web3, stablecoin issue where Tether froze 3 Ethereum addresses on Thursday, holding over $160 million worth of USDT, according to data from Etherscan. The 3 accounts will now not be able to move funds. In total, Tether has blacklisted 563 addresses on the Ethereum blockchain since November 2017, according to the block explorer. Tether has said in the past that it regularly works with regulators to supervise suspicious accounts. An address with over $1 million in USDT was frozen in late December. Tether, which issues tokens on several blockchains, began blacklisting addresses following a November 2017 breach in which the firm said $30 million of USDT was stolen. Today, Tether has frozen 3 addresses on the Ethereum blockchain containing $160 million USDT upon a request from law enforcement. At the moment, we are unable to discuss any further details, but if we have a look at this article right here that was posted back in 2017, we can see the original story. Tether claiming $30 million in USD token stolen. The team behind the stable cryptocurrency Tether is claiming $30 million worth of its funds have been sent to an unauthorized address. Tether, the company behind a dollar-pegged cryptocurrency widely used in the market's exchange trade, is claiming that its systems has been hacked and that $30 million worth of its tokens have been stolen. In a post on the project's website, Tether blamed a malicious action by an external attacker for the theft of $30.9 million in USDT yesterday. Originally launched as Realcoin and later rebranded, Tether aims to serve as a proxy for the US dollar that can be sent between exchanges, notably of course including Bitfinex, Poloniex and other markets without fiat trading. In response, Tether said it would move swiftly to ensure these exchanges do not trade or otherwise introduce stolen funds back into the crypto economy. The company wrote, the money was removed from Tether Treasury wallet on November 19, 2017 and sent to an unauthorized Bitcoin address. As Tether is the issuer of the USDT managed asset, we will not redeem any of the stolen tokens and we are in the process of attempting token recovery to prevent them from entering the broader ecosystem. Notably, the company said that it is releasing a new version of the Omni core software, interesting name, client which Tether runs on top of in a bid to effectively lock up the tokens it alleges were stolen. Should nodes in the network adopt the software, it would effectively blacklist the stolen address, enacting an emergency fork to contain the funds. Representatives of the Omni core software projects said they would seek to release new software in the coming days that will allow Tether to retrieve the stolen tokens. Observers online spotted the move earlier today, stoking speculation around the nature of the freeze. The Tether, we would love it if websites were to stop doing this. The Tether to back-end wallet service has been temporarily suspended. A thorough investigation on the cause of the attack is being undertaken to prevent similar actions in the future. The announcement comes amid a period of growing discussion around controversy around Tether. Under scrutiny has been the unclear relationship between Tether and the troubled British Virgin Islands-based Bitcoin exchange Bitfinex, and long-standing allegations the exchange has been using the asset to engage in fraud and market manipulation. Complicating matters is the 2 companies are said to share a common ownership, though details remain murky as to the exact nature of the connection. As such, today's hack claims are likely to further drive the controversy, which began following Bitfinex hack, which had lost more than $70 million in consumer funds. Following the news, other exchanges that offered order book trading on Tether have taken steps to freeze trading, including Huobi and OKCoin, announcing the move shortly after the post. Now that was of course back in 2017. Let's have a look of course at the USDT that was frozen in Tether's work. Tether freezes over $1 million worth of USDT belonging to a single address. Quick take, Tether blacklisted an Ethereum address last week that had over $1 million in USDT. Can I get rid of this ad? There we go. A Tether spokesperson told the block that Tether regularly works with regulators for freezing addresses. Stablecoin issuer Tether froze over $1 million worth of USDT last week, according to an on-chain worth data. The amount is significant given it belongs to a single blockchain address. Tether calls the added blacklist function on December 30 to block this address within this transaction. This address now won't be able to move the frozen funds. When Tether blacklists an address, it freezes the USDT balance of it, as the block has reported previously, and we can see it right here. It is unclear who owns this address, which holds many other tokens in the low 5-figure ranges that it hasn't transferred out of. When contacted, a Tether spokesperson declined to share those details to maintain the owner's privacy, but said Tether regularly works with regulators and law enforcement agencies worldwide, including on any cases related to hacks and scams for freezing addresses. Through the freezing of addresses, Tether has been able to help recover funds stolen by hackers or are compromised, said the spokesperson. Tether began banning blockchain addresses in 2017 and has blocked over 500 addresses to date on Ethereum. Tether also has a recovery mechanism in place, meaning it can freeze USDT and reissue them in certain cases. For example, if a user sends USDT to the wrong address, it can help recover by freezing the USDT sent to the wrong address and reissuing new USDT to the user. In the latest blacklisting case, however, the funds remain in the frozen addresses. Such cases usually mean that a frozen address is under dispute or being investigated by a LEA, said the Tether spokesperson. What are your thoughts on everything that you've heard here? What are your thoughts on Tether and the freezing of these assets? Would love to hear your take. Web3 is the place for everything happening. No financial advice on the channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next Web3 video.